If you're new here, hi, my name is Venus. I'm gonna make this intro really freaking short because I have a lot to show you. Gelato Pique originates in Japan, and it is Japan's #1 coziest and cutest loungewear brand. I was just in Japan and I got a really big fat haul basically of clothes because I already had a few pieces, and I will be showing you the pieces that I already have. So the first item is gonna be a part of their Valentine's Day collection that just came out, and I actually got the last set that was in store. Isn't that so cute? There's just hearts everywhere. It's like satin silk. It feels so soft. I have another set that's like with the same fabric, and obviously that was the top. I had to get the matching bottoms. Okay, the matching bottoms. Look at that. And the one thing that I really like about Gelato Pique's bottoms is that they're double lined. On the inside, it's like the softest, like really stretchy fabric. So like, yes, satin and silk feels amazing on the skin, but I don't know what it is about the inside fabric of their pants that just feels so much better than satin. It even has a back pocket. The second one, they're also double lined on the inside. The back has a pocket. This one was their cake pajama bottoms. Strawberry cake, to be exact. Bottom, if the camera picks it up, it's not white. It's like the softest purplish pink that I've ever seen. It borders on white, but it's not white. I got two tops. They're both the exact same. They're just in different colors. I got that light pink purple one again. It has like a built-in bra part on the inside. She's so stretchy. The second one, I had to get a more neutral. Coco, can you please stop playing with the tags? So this one is like eggshell, beige, khaki. I just wanted them in two different colors because first off, they made my boobs look great. Second, they're just like, I don't even have to wear these two specifically inside. I could wear them out. Next, I got another set, but it's not pajama-esque. It's more of just loungewear. Like, it's something I could see someone off of like a K-drama wearing. It's long, very, very long cardigan. It has pockets on both sides. And again, also very, very stretchy. She's also really heavy. So on the way back, I ended up wearing this on the plane. To go along with that, I got the matching bottoms. Back obviously has a pocket. Really, really soft. I had a seriously comfy ride. 14 hours back here in Gelato Pique. The next few items that I'm gonna show you are stuff that I already own by Gelato Pique, which is why I had gotten so much of that. The first one is a blue set. So here are the shorts. They're also soft. Has a back pocket. Go with this sweater. Look at how cute. I brought it with me to Japan because I went during the winter. This one is one of my favorite sweaters. So that was a matching set. I also have another matching set, but this one is like a different fabric than the blue one. It's more of like fluffy and fuzzy. But this one's light pink shorts, and then light pink top. But I love that. This was hiding. Okay, I'm gonna backtrack a little bit. This is another thing that I got while I was there, and I actually found it in the men's section. So Gelato Pique Hom. I don't know if it's actually made for men, but since I found this one in the men's section, I'm gonna assume it's for men. But it's just this like long-ish like sweater, and it's like, it's dense and it's heavy, which is why I liked it. I like felt it in the store, and when I picked it up, I was like, this is coming home with me. But so the sleeve looks like this, which is like a little bit feminine. Like it has that little like cutout. This was a collab piece, and I didn't even know Gelato Pique did collab pieces, and they collabed with Joelle Robuchon. If I butchered that, I am so sorry, but I love this shirt. She's so soft and comfortable. Another piece that I had already is this cardigan. On the sleeve, it says Gelato Pique, and it's like a light pink, and like the buttons are like the same color. Oh, it looks darker in the camera, but they're the same color as like the pink. The edge is like scalloped around your neck, but it's also like kind of cropped, so it goes really good with dresses. And then last but not least, I already had a silk satin set, and this would be like a dark champagne color. Like, these are the bottoms. They have pockets on both sides that are deep. Like, I can fit my hand in here comfortably. I can fit my phone in here comfortably. This one is also double lined. And then this is the top. that goes with those bottoms. It has a cowl neck. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called right here. So it just looks so elegant. Another thing about this one that I also find fun is that the inside, to, you know, that area, it's double lined. This set specifically drapes so beautifully on the body. I love Gelato Pique. I love Gelato Pique so much. So if you're ever going to get anything by Gelato Pique, I recommend first getting like a satin silk set. I don't know exactly what it is, but the way it drapes on your body makes you look so feminine, so beautiful, so cute, and I like it a lot. I'm pretty girly in general, so I recommend. And if for some reason you're a guy and you watch this, Gelato Pique has a guy section that is equally as soft and as cute, so I would definitely recommend. If you live in New York, I know they have a flagship store there. I haven't been to New York, so I haven't checked it out yet, but I recommend that you go visit so you can like feel all the fabrics and understand how soft it is, you know, if you can't fly all the way to Japan. But yeah, that's it for my little haul. If you have questions, feel free to ask me below. I am clearly a huge fan of this brand. I love comfy and cute things, and like Gelato Pique just fits perfectly into my little like cute comfy bubble. I hope you enjoyed my little haul. I know it was short, but I hope it was at least a little bit helpful, or if you had your eyes on anything. I would recommend getting the pieces. Get the silk first, but if there's something fluffy that you want instead, I have never gotten anything by the brand that I hated, ever.